Unlock the secrets hidden within Redfin's vast real estate data using the power of Data Cruncher. First, head over to redfin.com and enter your desired location in the search bar. This could be a city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code. Once you've narrowed down your area, activate the Data Cruncher integration. Look for a distinct icon or button, often located near the map controls or filter options. This opens the Data Cruncher interface, where you'll find a suite of powerful analytical tools. Explore options like market trend analysis, property valuation prediction, and investment opportunity identification. Dive into each feature to uncover valuable insights. Use trend lines to understand price appreciation over time, heat maps to visualize property value concentrations, and investment property lists to spot promising opportunities. The best part, Data Cruncher seamlessly integrates with Redfin property listings. Look for Data Cruncher insights directly on the property details page, giving you an instant understanding of its potential value and market position. By combining Redfin's comprehensive data with Data Cruncher's analytical prowess, you'll gain a significant edge in your real estate journey, empowering you to make informed decisions and unlock profitable opportunities.